you talk a little bit about her? She loves reducing recipes, taking ingredients that you didn't need and keeping it plain and simple so that you can taste the food. Hey, man. Sir, it's an honor. Thank you so much. I figured hopefully you come here and we do. Good luck. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Rock and roll. This dish is gonna impress them because polenta and chicken will bring out the best memory that they ever had about food. I need help. Parsley. How much is that? 2 pounds? This challenge is important because it brings back memories of my grandmother a lot. That's when I first started cooking in the kitchen when I was probably about 5, 6 years old. And if it wasn't for her, I probably wouldn't be where I'm at right now. Hopefully, I can make her proud with this challenge. Thank you.
What the fuck? She is scared.
I'm an Italian American. This is the food that I've grown up on. Both my parents are amazing cooks. My father's 100% Sicilian. She will not get over me performing well on this challenge.
Anybody got a skill out?
Dishes, proper dough.
Oh my god.
Actually, I never cooked Italian food. It's a little out of my genre.
Rue, what is
but
it?
I love eating Italian food, and I cook it for my girlfriend.
What is it? Is she crying? Rue, what is it? It's okay.
Obviously,
It's
Antonio,
okay.
Fabio, myself, all being Italians, means something for all of us
It's
in
alright.
this challenge. I just got about 6 bottles right next to the red. I know.
It's
I want to
okay.
showcase my pasta technique, so I'm excited to make a fresh rigatoni for the first time on Top Chef.
I don't know what is going on. She's looking at something. Her eyes are focused on something. And it moves. She keeps looking around. That was really, really weird. This has happened before, which makes it strange. It's okay, Rue. Is she shaking? No. Her tail was way in between her legs. She is crying too. And her nose is really wet. And she keeps looking at something. I see her pupils focusing. What is it? What's wrong, Rue? What's wrong? It's okay. Oh. What is she looking at? What's in there? There's no one in there.
5 minutes, Mom. 5 minutes, guys.
Do you see anything in the camera? No.
Gasoline wire as always, baby. Time's running out on our peptide. Calamari, tomatoes.
Oh, that's my camera light.
Being an Italian, I'm nervous. I'd rather compete at a challenge that I wasn't a favorite at. I don't like being the favorite because it's a lot more pressure for you.
And Marley pissed right in there by that chair, and he's never peed inside before. Look at her.
Lorraine, is it safe to say this was your boyfriend cooking for you?
She just growled.
Second place tonight.
I didn't know that.
Do you think there's an animal outside on the tree? I don't know. How could you see it, though? Because the light reflects through the window. Look at her breathing.
White truffles, a true delicacy. They cost up to $2,000 a pound. And the all-star ingredient
She did just growl.
in soup is an actual nest made of bird saliva. Oh my God. Top Chef All-Stars every Wednesday at 10, 9 Central. Only by Bravo.
Oh my god, this is so weird.
Toyota.
It's okay, Rue. Look at her tears. It can't hurt you. It's alright. Look at her crying. Oh my god. It's alright. Hey.
How would you use Toyota technology to make a better world? Learn how to share your ideas at toyota.com/ideas for good.
It's 100%
Rue.
pure beef.
She's shaking.
You have nothing to add.
It's okay. Put her down. Put her down. See what she does.
That's what we're made of.
She's freaking out.
So we've got Jen texting, Cody sticking an action figure into Hunter's ear. And Joe, what are you doing?
Trying to get the action figure in Hunter's ear.
Is she looking at my camera?
Roy can take all these unruly shots at his offensive smiles.
Is she looking at the light?
Laugh and share without ridicule.
No, it wasn't there before.
Windows gives me the family. Nature never could.
To the cloud, Windows Live. To
Look
create
at her tail.
anywhere. Have you ever told a little
Go put her in there.
No way.
Yeah, see
She'll
what she does.
freak out.
The truth.
I didn't wear a wedding ring to pick up chicks.
You're pig.
And bigger. It's over.
See, the light's pointed this way. She's not barking at the light.
You want me to pretend to be your wife? Is that her?
I think so.
I give you my blessing. I have to tweet all my friends. I forgot, you're 15.
No.
Just go with it. How long were you two married?
10 years.
You go put her in there.
10 years.
Okay, here, hold her.
Rated PG-13. Beverly Hills may have it all, but we're giving you even more. It's the footage you've never seen.
Julie hates to be put down.
And it's the final on-camera moments of Camille's marriage. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, the lost footage, Tuesday at 10 on Central. Only by Bravo.
The dining room at Rayo's is awesome. It reminds me of
What is it?
old school Italian.
What is it, Real?
They've got a jukebox full of Frank Sinatra sitting right there. Everything's very
Real, what is it?
rustic. It smells like marinara in the walls. Wow. It's small, but it's nice. Small, yes. We're actually going to cook in groups. The first group is the antipasti, Antonia and Tony.
I saw that.
I don't want to put too much pasta to absorb all of my goodness. Make a minestrone.
What is it, Real?
A bunch of
Are you
Italian
okay?
dishes.
Still looking.
Some pigs, but I don't
Well, she didn't freak out when we put her in there.
different from comfort food, and that's what I do. Girls, it's such a pleasure
What is it,
working
Real?
with you. You work so clean. Oh my God.
I wonder if Kate's ever seen her do this. I've never seen her do this before.
Right. Yeah, you know,
You
you've
keep
never
it
seen